Alright guys, we got the 303 stainless all chucked up here, and what we're doing is we're going to be cutting off. We got the chuck stop set up here, so here we go. That's a good sign. That means you're getting an even cut. Here we go. She's off. Now. Nope. Not yet. I thought she broke. I saw her loosen up, but she didn't. Alright, well. I did something to grab it with. Well, she should come off now. Reason why I didn't cut it off all the way is because my tool, it wasn't ground back enough, so it left this nub right here, as you can see. But that's okay, because this ain't a too critical part. But there it is right there, all done. Well, almost done. I gotta clean it up. I gotta face it, and then after I face it, drill a little bit more, because I left it a little bit long because the part is pretty critical on dimensions, so I didn't want to get into that, so I just left her just a hair bit long. But right now I'll just face her off and that'll be it. So that's it, guys. That's how you part 303 stainless on a South Bend lathe. So if you guys like this content, be sure to give it a thumbs up, thumb down, like, subscribe. Later.